You probably know about it, but not sure if it does work. So I left some places in my house for a while so I can make this video. I don't buy expensive cleaning products, and when friends and family come to my house, they always say, wow, everything in your house is so shiny. It's not because I constantly cleaning and scrubbing. No, I use vinegar and I buy 10 liters. 10 liters last me for a very long time. I spray shower with vinegar every second or third time and just wipe with this, the window wiper. I don't know how it's called. Window wiper, never mind. I use vinegar for shower, taps, toilets, mirrors, windows, basically for everything. It's the best solution for cleaning, and it's cheap too. You don't need to scrub anymore. I thought to leave this sink in my utility room so that I can take this video for you without editing to show you in real how all the lime scale come off easily without scrubbing and spending hours for cleaning. It's just cleaning for me have to be very quick, done and dusted. You don't need hours and hours wasting. You can use this time for something productive. Vinegar smell doesn't bother me. It doesn't last long and I kind of got used to it. The most important for me, everything cleans so well and you spend the minimum time for cleaning. You can see how easy all the lime scale gone, and you see your sparkling, clean taps, sinks, toilet, windows, mirrors, glass furniture. Everything is just so easy. You don't need this bleach smell. Horrible. It's really bad for your lungs and for your skin. Vinegar is good for your skin and actually good for your lungs. For me, cleaning, it's like a 5-gear workout. I do everything so quick and I see cleaning as my cardio. There is a link in the description below for the vinegar I use, but you can buy vinegar at any store and it costs very little money. Don't buy these expensive cleaning products. Use Zaflora if you like a little bit of nice smell, but I like clean smell. Zaflora is nice and I use it for the floor, but for everything I use vinegar. It's cost effective and workable. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video very helpful, please press like. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.